In today's video, we'll be covering one of the unbelievably healthy plants, maybe one of the best and uses plant in the modern world that is called yarrow. In today's episode, we'll explore one of the most legendary healing herbs in traditional and the modern medicine, yarrow or Achillea millefolium. We'll cover everything you need to know, including what yarrow is and how it got its name, where it grows, and what's in it chemically, its powerful healing properties from wound to menstrual issues, how to prepare yarrow tea, compresses and the tinctures, important side effects and safety precautions. So let's dive in this powerful plant with a history as old as Achillea millefolium. As I said many times before, probably all of those plants have thousands, hundreds of years history in the natural way. This kind of plant can help you a lot. What is yarrow? Yarrow or Achillea millefolium is a perennial plant from sunflower family or Astraceae. It's a native to the temperature regions of North America, Europe and Asia, and grows wild in the fields, meadows and even gardens. Its name comes from legendary Greek warrior Achilles, who is said to have used it to treat his soldiers' wounds. That's how powerful its healing potential is. Its leaves resemble ferns, and its flower heads bloom in white, pink, red or yellow. Traditionally, yarrow has been used for wound healing, fever and the cold relief, menstrual support, digestive issues, anxiety and insomnia. Fun fact, in the 17th century, yarrow was even cooked and eaten like a spinach. Habitat in history, yarrow thrives in dry pastures, open fields and mountain meadows up to 1,700 meters above the sea level. It tolerates drought, frost and heat, making it true survivor. It grows across Europe, North America, Asia and spreads to Australia and New Zealand. You can even harvest seed from the wild yarrow and grow them in your own herb. This is unbelievably important. Right now, the yarrow grows probably almost all around the world, and we'll be learning today what is unbelievable health benefits. But before we go to the health benefits, let's talk about in the short what is the main key compound in the yarrow plant. Yarrow plant with active compounds that supports its healing effects, terpenes for anti-inflammatory action, tannins, astringent properties for wounds, phytosterols, hormone balancing effect, alkaloids reduce spasm and pain, volatile oils for antimicrobial action. This unique combination makes yarrow both gentle remedy and a powerful healer. And when we talk about yarrow, one of the most important things is going to be control hormonal balance. This is especially important for you women who have any kind of problems with menstruation or maybe menopause or any kind of problems. Maybe you have problems with your thyroid gland. This is one of the best plants in the world, especially for the woman, especially for the hormonal balances. Yarrow has impressive list of medicinal benefits. Let's go to our most important. First is going to be wound healing and antiseptic. Stops bleeding quickly, reduces swelling and prevents infections, promotes skin regeneration. Used in powdered form directly on the wounds, included in many natural ointments in a cream. Menstrual support, balances menstrual cycles, eases cramps and heavy bleeding, supports uterine blood flow, helps with amenorrhea, absence of menstruation. This is an unbelievably important plant for digestive health, acts as a bitter tonic, relieves bloating, cramps and indigestion, helps with another digestive problem and improves bowel regularly. For everyone who suffers from bacterial infections, especially virus infections, if you have high fever, you have sore throat and similar kind of conditions, this plant is recommended for you. reduce fever in the same natural way, fights bacteria and virus, also with almost any kind of side effects. This is plant for stress and the sleep. It's naturally calming, eases anxiety and promotes restful sleep. Supports mental and emotional balance. Also is breastfeeding support. Used for mastitis relief. Compresses made from yarrow tea helps reduce breast inflammation and infection in nursing mothers. And is used as blood pressure and for circulation. Naturally lowers high blood pressure, improves blood flow, mildly stimulates the urinary system, and reduces water retention. This is unbelievably, of course, important. This is just a couple of very important natural remedies for everyone who wants to get yourself better in a natural way. Yarrow is gonna help. Now let's begin to understand how you can use yarrow for those and many other applications in a natural medicine. How to use yarrow? Yarrow can be consumed or applied in many traditional and modern ways. Here are most effective methods. First is going to be yarrow tea. For digestive and immune support, boil 250 milliliters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of yarrow tea and 1 tablespoon of peppermint tea. Steep for 7 to 8 minutes. Strain and add lemon juice and honey. Drink 2 to 3 times a day. You can use for the cold and the flu blend. Mix yarrow with elderflower, echinacea, ginger and peppermint and create potential anti-cold remedy. Yarrow compresses for the wounds and mastitis. Make strong yarrow tea. Soak a clean cloth and apply to affected area. Use several times daily. For skin irritation and hemorrhoids, apply cool tea or ointments containing yarrow extract. Can be used for the rashes, redness and anal discomfort. Tinctures and supplements. Yarrow tincture can be taken accordingly to the instruction on the label. Always start with the small doses and monitor your reaction. Yarrow right now is available in any good quality healthy store. You can buy it in the form of tea, tinctures, capsules, similar powder, similar kind of form. You can use it. You just need to find good quality 100% organic product and you will be happy for those kind of health benefits. It's going to help you a lot. Let's talk about side effects and safety precautions. Yarrow is generally safe when used properly, but there is important precautions to note. Possible side effects: drowsiness, increased urination, skin irritation, especially with sensitive skin. May make skin more sensitive to sunlight. Allergic reactions. People allergic to ragweed, daisies, or other Asteraceae plant should avoid yarrow. Contains touchon. In large amount, touchon can affect the nervous system. Use essential oil sparingly and never internally. Blood thinning effect. Yarrow contains coumarins, natural blood thinners. Don't combine with prescription anticoagulants. And note for the pregnant woman or children, yarrow may stimulate uterus, so avoid it during pregnancy. Talk to your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. It's not recommended for children unless advised by a pediatrician. So this is kind of information that you need to think about it. One of the most important thing is for you to remember, if you use yarrow for any kind of health benefits, I said it before, and if you use any kind of chemicals, medication for the same kind of problems, you cannot use it together. This is going to be unbelievably important. Also, if you can find someone that understand also natural medicine and also classical medicine, and they make you special program for natural remedies, and they can explain you how to use chemical medications with natural remedies. As I said it many times before, as I said it to all my patients, always try to use healthy way of living with the natural remedies. This is going to be best way for you to stay healthy. Yarrow is powerful time-tested herb with legacy that spans centuries, from wound healing to ancient battlefields, to soothing menstrual pain and calming anxiety. This humble white flower has served humanity well. With the right knowledge and careful use, you can make yarrow a safe and effective part of your natural medicine cabinet. Have you ever used yarrow? Share your experience in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Mario Lab for more herbal medicine tips every week. For everyone who wants to learn a lot more, you can buy my books, you can go to my office. But for today's show, if you have any kind of information about the yarrow, please comment below the video. Subscribe, share video. This is going to be perfect. Thank you for following me. God bless you. God bless your family. See you next video. For the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world. My personal specialty is going to be natural remedies, nutrition, physical therapy and rehabilitation. And if you want to get better and if you want to cure your diseases, call Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia on phone number +385 9891 79200, and you have two options how I can help you. You can come to my office, you can arrange the meeting, that is going to be great. Also, if you cannot come to my office, that is totally fine. We, over the last 20 years, we do it phone consultations with the patients all around the world. You can call us, book the meeting in our office, or of course phone consultations, and everything is going to be perfect. And I will be making perfect special natural remedies program with best natural remedies just for you. I'm also author of 3 books about nutrition and natural remedies. My 3 books is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. This is first book, and second and third book is going to call Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1 and Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 2. All of these books are available to right now on my website mariolab.hr. Everything is in the description below. We send all our books to all over the world, and I believe my books about nutrition and natural remedies can help you a lot. Thank you, my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.